Alright, so hey guys, I don't know what day this is because I'm just recording at this point, but welcome to another day of Vlogmas. You already know what it is. But today I'm gonna do this unboxing video. I just bought some clothes from not my address. I just received something from Fashion Nova, and I also got something from Amazon. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. I didn't get nothing like special, but I got a few things for my makeup kit. A few little things that I needed. I got my little belt. So what it is it's just an empty belt that I bought because when I'm doing folks makeup and such, I always lose the brushes that I'm using. So I just needed like a brush belt. Ooh, and it's so cute, y'all. It's so cute. So this is my brush belt where I'll be placing my brushes while I'm doing clients' makeup. Also, if you need your makeup done, just let me know and I will be of service. I ain't got no clientele anyway, so I'm available for any time, any day, unless I got work. I got this this cape for clients so somebody might come to me already dressed to go where they want to go, and to prevent their outfit from getting messed up, I bought a cape. I also bought a dry makeup brush cleaner, which is like that little sponge that you put your brush in and it's supposed to clean it. Ooh. It's a mirror, but it's also something that I could use to mix makeup. So I usually mix my concealer, and this is helpful because I've been mixing my concealer on top of my shea butter container for like as long as I can remember. I never had anything that was specifically for mixing things. So if I need to mix foundations, sister girl right here, she gonna look out. I will put these things in the description bar if y'all want to perhaps get them. Now we about to get into this Fashion Nova because I ain't shaped like no Fashion Nova model, so I don't even know if any of this stuff is about to fit. I bought a jumpsuit and 2 long sleeve crop tops. Okay guys, so my first item is this super cute gray, yellow, and white jumpsuit. I was a little hesitant at first because I don't know why, but people have been saying that like Fashion Nova clothes don't fit, they're trash, blah blah blah, this and that and a third. And I honestly didn't get that vibe. Like, as y'all can see, when I tried it on, it fit perfectly. It was great. It looks cute. Like, I don't know. Maybe Fashion Nova is just not for everybody, which I can understand because I thought I wasn't gonna be able to fit their clothes because you know how the models look. And if you don't know, just go to their website and take a little gander. I got a small in that, and with the 40% off, it was $15. This next item is this yellow crop top. I ended up ordering it because, as y'all can see, with those jeans, I had no idea what to wear, and I bought those joints like maybe 2 months ago, and I really don't know why. I really didn't know what I should wear with it, and I know now that I'm gonna be wearing this crop top. You hear me? Okay, it looks really good. Like, it looks really great. I have a bra on underneath. and I just finessed the situation because, you know, I ain't got no boobs and nothing, so I wasn't blessed in that area. But as y'all can see, like, it looks great. I also went ahead and bought this orange crop top, which is like a super crop top because it comes up above the boob area. And to be honest, all the things that I wore with just this one item or just that one item, I'm probably gonna be wearing it because, like, it was just so cute. Like, everything was just so cute, and I was like, ooh, like, sis, like, this shit really fit. Like, I wasn't expecting it to fit, so I'm like, let me just see something real quick because they having a sale. I ended up on the website because I thought I was getting 90% off, and I wasn't. I only got 40% off. I think it was some items on that website that you could have got 90% off on, but I only got 40%, but that's enough because I'm never paying. I won't pay nothing that's regular price unless I really need something from there specifically. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited because, like, it really look cute too. Like, I'm ready for these events that I'm gonna be wearing this to because, yeah. So if y'all enjoyed this Vlogmas video, please give me a thumbs up. You already know how I'm popping off in my corner of the world. And as always, y'all know that I hope y'all enjoy watching this as much as I enjoy filming it. And I hope to see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.